Then there comes the issue of what are the kind of the core motivations behind this. Is it the notion, the kind of core myth of the hero, the idea of actually of going to the, I mean, I think the moon was really about that. It was about going there. It didn't matter how many. It was about getting one person there and coming back. The idea of going to Mars is part of that sort of myth. Is it a part of the kind of the space tourism industry, which actually, strangely, is the one area that's really been developing very strongly? Foster designed Spaceport America in New Mexico, and shortly, very soon, Virgin Galactic will be taking off and taking space tourists into low Earth orbit. Or is it about harnessing energy from outer space? And there's plenty of potential to do that because of the solar radiation. Or is it the kind of the notion, a lot of the kind of hardcore NASA guys are obsessed with the idea of becoming a settler and pioneering, of settling on the moon itself. So this is a kind of very brief history of some of the kind of ideas, attempts to think about how you might land on the moon and what you might do. This is the real problem, I should say, about the moon is radiation. The radiation on the moon is so severe that if you were exposed to the radiation for 7 hours, you would die. So much of these proposals are based on trying to hide or conceal the living quarters under regolith. Regolith is the powdery graphite-like substance that covers the moon's surface, and it's actually quite good at radiation shielding. Therefore, many of these proposals are to do with packing regolith, in this case a further development where it's